All right, you're looking at $1,003 if I replace that with the original window. And while we were in Yellowstone, I got up against a limb and broke the slider out. So I cleaned it all up, removed all of the stuff. We had the piece duct taped in there, so when we got home. Anyway, that was all good. But anyway, yeah, so this is the outside window. Of course, it's got all the places where the screws go in and the trims inside the trailer. But anyway, I've measured it, made a template for this to fit in there. The only problem is I can't get this thing here to come out to pull this window apart so that I can get this to spread apart so that I could stick a new window in the track. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some 1/2 inch or some aluminum rod and cut this frame right here on this side and that frame on that side, and put aluminum rod across there. That'll add some support to that and do very much the same as this right here, and we'll just see how that works. So there's my camper. Looks like we've already had a little rain today, so I put that up there and tape that on there, but that's where the window goes. And oh joy, here's my bar stock. It's aluminum, some thick stuff, and I'm going to make a couple patches and cut that thing off and then go get a piece of glass made. These windows are a Lippert 8800 type window, and this is a piece that we had put in the internal frame. This is the place where it's broken. It's some melamine with the white on the back side. So anyway, that's your trim, and that goes in. I did have to remove this and then remove the trim for that and get that to come out. And I never did see where the screws are for this. They're back up in there somewhere. Forget getting that. But anyway, here's the trim part. And I just cleaned it up and cut the duct tape of it. But anyway, the screws go in here, and that's the inside trim going up in there. So that's the deal. That, again, they won $1,003 just for the glass, and then their shipping. So very proud of those windows. I could have bought one for about $400. It's about 6 inches shorter, but that would have made me need to do some customizing on the outside. So anyway, so there we go. That's the inside shot. All right, I've got some 1/8 inch thick aluminum and cut it down to fit in the channel, and then put the 4 screws in it. Do the same thing on this side over here, so that'll give me the alignment where I know that it needs to, line up to. I'm going to clamp a couple things in here before I cut this, so it'll hold it nice and straight, and then we'll see how she goes. So this is all aluminum, and that's all aluminum. Those are all just, I think they're steel screw pan head. Anyway, I'm going to get ready to get the cutting wheel out and cut it in half. I got really lucky in that fell right in between the 2 weed pole vents, so that's a good thing. So this will get filled in with windshield stuff, and it'll fill in. I just need to sand that groove so that it'll get in there. We go cut the other one, then I think I won't even need to probably do much more than that, but that's what that looked like now. So that part worked out pretty good. I'm gonna go cut this one now and get her done. All right, there's that side, that bracket on it, and then this side here with this bracket on it. And again, I'm gonna have to seal that with some RV stuff probably when I get the window in and everything in it. I'm gonna go ahead and put that little guy over there, that piece of plywood in there, just to make sure it all fits.